Good morning, dear students. We'll continue with the 6.1, exercise 6.1. First problem, prove that cot theta plus tan theta equal to secant theta into cosecant theta. So take LHS. LHS is cot theta plus tan theta. Write all the ratios in terms of sin theta and cos theta. So cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. So take LCM. LCM is sin theta into cos theta. Cross multiply cos into cos, cos square theta plus sin into sin, sin square theta. We know very well cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. It is identity, first identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 by sin theta into cos theta. So reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta. Reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta. So that is your RHS. RHS is secant theta into cosecant theta. So that is your RHS. Second subdivision, tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. Here take LHS. LHS is tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta. So in these tan square theta is common. So take tan square theta as common. If you take tan square is common, here we have tan power 4 theta. So remaining we have tan square theta plus, if you take tan square theta as common, remaining it will be 1. So here in RHS we need to prove secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. Everything in terms of secant. So change the LHS in terms of tan theta. We know the identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So here we have tan square theta. From this, if you want to find out tan square theta, secant square theta, the plus 1 becomes minus 1, minus tan square becomes plus tan square theta. So this is the formula for tan square theta. So tan square theta, instead of tan square theta, we can write secant square theta minus 1. So tan square theta, it is secant square theta minus 1 into tan square theta plus 1. So tan square theta, if you take this minus tan square to that side, it becomes 1 plus tan square. So what is meant by 1 plus tan square? It is secant square. So from this we can write one more formula. Secant square theta is equal to 1 minus tan square becomes plus tan square theta. This is another formula. So instead of 1 plus tan square, I can write secant square theta. So if we multiply secant square into secant square, it becomes secant power 4 theta minus 1 into secant square, it is minus secant square theta. That is your RHS. So hence the proof. Next problem. Second sum. First subdivision. Prove that 1 minus tan square theta by cot square theta minus 1. So it is equal to tan square theta. So take LHS. This is 1 minus tan square theta by cot square theta minus 1. So change in terms of sin and cos. So it becomes 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta whole divided by cot square can be cos square theta by sin square theta minus 1. So take LCM for both numerator and denominator, it becomes cos square theta. So if you take LCM, 1 into cos square theta minus sin square theta whole divided by, here LCM is sin square theta. If you take LCM cos square theta minus sin square theta, cos square theta minus 1 into sin square theta, it is minus sin square theta. Take reciprocal. So cos square minus sin square, here also we have cos square minus sin square, both will be cancelled, remaining 1 by cos square theta whole divided by 1 by sin square theta. Take reciprocal, 1 by cos square theta into sin square theta by 1. So sin by cos, we know that it is tan theta. So sin square by tan square, it is tan square theta, that is your RHS. See, this problem even you can use identities also. So from the identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So if you want to find out what is 1 minus tan square theta, so this becomes plus 1 becomes minus 1. So if you take minus as common, it becomes minus secant square theta. So instead of 1 minus tan square theta, we can write minus secant square, and cot square theta minus 1, it becomes minus cosecant square. In that method also you can prove this problem. Whichever is easy, you can use that method. Now second subdivision. Cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to secant theta minus tan theta. So take LHS. LHS is cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. In the previous class I said, in the denominator if you have 1 plus sin theta or 1 plus cos theta, if it is in the form of identity, we can take conjugate. So here the conjugate of 1 plus sin theta is 1 minus sin theta. So multiply and divide by the conjugate. So 1 plus sin theta into the conjugate of 1 plus sin theta is 1 minus sin theta. So 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. So what it becomes? The numerator cos theta into 1 minus sin theta by a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So 1 square minus sin into sin square theta. So cos theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin square, we know that it is cos square theta. Square and cos theta will be cancelled. So remaining 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. So this cos theta is common for both 1 and sin theta. So this can be written as 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. So 1 by cos theta, reciprocal of cos is secant theta, sin by cos is tan theta. So that is the RHS, hence the proof. Question number 3. Prove that root of, first subdivision, root of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta, it is equal to secant theta plus tan theta. So take LHS. So LHS is root of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. See the denominator, it is in the form of conjugate 1 minus sin theta. So we need to multiply and divide by the conjugate. So what is the conjugate of 1 minus sin theta? 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into the conjugate is 1 plus sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. So what it becomes? 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, it is 1 plus sin theta whole square by, again, a minus b into a plus b, it is a square minus b square. So 1 square minus sin square theta. Don't cancel this square and root because this root is common for both numerator and denominator. If it is in whole square, we can cancel it. So square root of 1 plus sin theta whole square by 1 minus sin square, it is cos square theta. Then write in terms of whole square, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta whole square. The square for both numerator and denominator, because in the numerator we have 1 plus sin theta whole square and the denominator it is cos square theta, both are in square, so we can write in terms of whole square. Now the square and root will be cancelled. So what is remaining? 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Now we can write this as 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. 1 by cos is secant theta plus sin by cos is tan theta, that is the RHS. So hence the proof. Second subdivision, root of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta plus root of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. It is equal to 2 secant theta. So here LHS is, there are two root values, one is 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta, another one 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. So there are two root values, both are in the form of conjugate. Here the conjugate is 1 plus sin theta and the second root value it is in 1 minus sin theta. So first root value I am going to multiply and divide by 1 plus sin theta, and the second root value I am going to multiply and divide by 1 minus sin theta. So it is equal to root of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into multiply and divide by the conjugate. The conjugate is 1 plus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta plus root of the second root value. Here the conjugate is 1 minus sin theta. So 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta, and multiply and divide by the conjugate, it is 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. So if you multiply 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, it becomes 1 plus sin theta whole square, and a plus b into a minus b, it is a square minus b square. So 1 square minus sin square theta. Here 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta whole square. A plus b into a minus b, again it is a square minus b square. So 1 square minus sin square theta. So this can be root of 1 plus sin theta whole square by 1 minus sin square, it is cos square theta. So plus 1 minus sin theta whole square by again 1 minus sin square, it is cos square theta. So write in whole square 1 plus sin theta whole square by cos square theta can be 1 plus sin theta by cos theta whole square. This one 1 minus sin theta by cos theta whole square. That is equal to root of 1 plus sin theta by cos theta whole square plus 1 minus sin theta by cos theta whole square. So square and root will be cancelled, square and root is cancelled, remaining 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Here the denominators are equal, so we can add or subtract the numerator. So here it is cos theta, LCM is cos theta, 1 plus sin theta, and here the numerator is 1 minus sin theta. Sin theta cancel, sin theta and minus sin theta will be cancelled, plus 1 plus 1 it is 2. So 2 by cos theta, here it is 2, the reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta. So 2 secant theta, that is the RHS. So hence the proof, 2 root values becomes 2 secant theta. Next, fourth problem, question number 1, first subdivision. Secant power 6 theta is equal to tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta secant square theta plus 1. So LHS is secant power 6 theta. The RHS is tan power 6 plus 3 tan square secant square theta plus 1. LHS is in secant power 6 theta, but RHS is tan power 6 theta. So secant theta we need to write in terms of tan theta. So we have one identity, the identity is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So from that, what is the value of secant square theta? So secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So what is LHS? Secant power 6 theta. So secant power 6 theta I am going to write in terms of square, it is secant square theta whole cube. So power of power we can multiply. So secant square theta whole power 3, 2 3s are 6. So it becomes secant power 6 theta. Okay. Now secant square theta. So what is the formula for secant square theta? So the first formula is secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta or tan square theta plus 1. So instead of secant square theta, I can write 1 plus tan square theta. So it is equal to, instead of secant square, 1 plus tan square theta whole power 3. Now you need to know what is the formula for a plus b whole cube. So the formula for a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, or we can write 3a square b plus 3ab square. So the formula for a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So substitute that formula here. A cube, what is a? 1. So 1 cube plus tan square theta whole cube plus 3ab, 3 into a into b, b is tan square theta into a plus b, 1 plus tan square theta. So secant power 6 theta can be written as secant square theta power 3. We know the formula, secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta whole cube. So it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. The formula for a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Here a is 1 and b is tan square theta. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now 1 cube is 1. Tan square theta whole power 3. So power of power can be multiplied. So 2 3s are 6. So 1 plus tan power 6 theta. Then plus 3 into 1 3 into tan square theta. So 3 tan square theta. Again 1 plus tan square theta can be written as secant square theta. So instead of 1 plus tan square theta, I am going to write it is 3 secant square theta. So that's all. Rearrange, it is tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta secant square theta plus the constant is 1. So that is the RHS. So here we need to use two formulas. One is instead of secant square theta, it is 1 plus tan square theta. Another one, a plus b whole cube can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. In the next problem, second subdivision in fourth problem. Second subdivision, sin theta plus secant theta whole square plus cos theta plus cosecant theta whole square, it is equal to 1 plus secant theta plus cosecant theta whole square. So here LHS is sin theta plus secant theta whole square plus cos theta plus cosecant theta whole square. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. We know very well the formula for a plus b whole square. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square it is sin square theta plus b square it is secant square theta plus 2ab. So 2 sin theta secant theta plus this one. This is also in the form of a plus b whole square. So cos square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2ab. So 2 cos theta into cosecant theta. We know very well sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So instead of sin square theta plus cos square theta, I am going to write as 1 plus it is secant square theta, another one cosecant square theta plus 2 sin theta secant theta. We know that secant theta is 1 by cos theta. So instead of 2 sin theta, instead of secant theta, I am going to write 1 by cos theta plus 2 cos theta into, instead of cosecant theta, we can write 1 by sin theta. Because in the right RHS, we need to prove it is secant theta plus cosecant theta. It is in the form of secant square and cosecant square. We need 2 secant and cosecant theta. But here we have 2 sin theta secant theta and 2 cos theta cosecant theta. I am going to write these two in terms of sin and cos. So it is 2 sin theta. Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Cos theta, cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. So it is equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 sin by cos, it is tan theta. So 2 tan theta, or we can write 2 sin by cos. 2 sin theta by cos theta plus 2 cos theta by sin theta. In these two, 2 is common. So if you take 2 as common, 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into, if you take as common, what is LCM? LCM is sin theta into cos theta, because in the first fraction we have cos theta, in the second fraction we have sin theta. So LCM is sin theta into cos theta, cross multiply sin theta into sin theta, it is sin square theta plus cos theta into cos theta, it is cos square theta. So it is equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into, we know the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 by sin theta into cos theta. So it is equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into 1 by sin theta, it is cosecant theta, 1 by cos theta, it is secant theta. So instead of that we can write secant theta into cosecant theta. So consider these terms, secant square plus cosecant square plus 2 secant theta into cosecant theta. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this can be 1 plus, instead of secant square plus cosecant square plus 2 secant cosecant, we can write secant theta plus cosecant theta cosecant theta whole square. So that is the RHS. So hence the proof. So this problem, they are given in terms of sine and secant, cos and cosecant. But we need to prove 1 plus secant and cosecant. So the proof must be in terms of secant and cosecant. So if you use a plus b whole square for these two terms, it will come sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is 1. Secant square theta, here we have sine and secant, better we change in terms of sine and cos. So 2 sin theta by cos theta, and here 2 cos theta by sin theta. So in these two, 2 is common. So if you take 2 as common, then LCM is sin theta into cos theta. If you cross multiply sin into sin, sin square, cos into cos, cos square, sin square plus cos square, it is 1. So 1 by sin and 1 by cos. 1 by cos is secant and 1 by sin is cosecant. Here we have a square plus b square. We need only 2ab. So it is a plus b whole square. So 1 plus sin square, secant square, cosecant square, 2 secant cosecant, it becomes secant theta plus cosecant theta whole square. That is the RHS. Now fifth problem, first subdivision, secant power 4 theta into 1 minus sin power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta is equal to 1. So take LHS. We know the formula for secant power 4 theta. Secant power 4 theta, directly we don't know the formula for secant power 4, but we know the formula for secant square theta. So how can we write secant square theta? The formula is secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So that is the formula for secant power secant square theta. So here LHS is secant power 4 theta into 1 minus sin power 4 theta minus 2 2 tan square theta. So multiply secant power 4 into 1, it is secant power 4 theta minus secant power 4 theta into sin power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta. So it is equal to secant power 4 theta. So secant power 4 theta can be written as secant square theta whole square minus secant power 4 is secant is the reciprocal of cos. So secant power 4 can be written as 1 by cos power 4. But here we have sin power 4. So sin power 4 by cos power 4 becomes tan power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta. So here secant power 4 can be written as 1 by cos power 4. So sin power 4 by cos power 4, it is tan power 4. Secant square theta, we know that secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta, here we have square minus tan power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta a plus b whole square. So 1 square plus tan square whole square becomes tan power 4 theta 2ab. So plus 2, 1 into tan square. So 2 tan square theta minus tan power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta. So here plus tan power 4 minus tan power 4 cancel, plus 2 tan square minus 2 tan square cancel, and the remaining is 1, that is the RHS. With this we will complete this class. We will continue 6.1 in the next class. Thank you.